Hi, I'm Will Greenwald with PCMag.com doing a video test of the Logi StreamCam recording at 1080p 60. Currently it's set to auto pretty much everything except framing, autofocus, recording currently in dual mono but does record in stereo for audio, and there's an auto framing feature. If I toggle that, zooms in, kind of like the Facebook portal. Now this is all in camera and software digital zoom, but it's a really neat effect. And if you're, say, recording to 720p, that's you got the space to do it. It's nice. Turn that off. See the full picture. It's all crisp. The office is very bright, so backlight correction is on. If I turn it off, you see I get a bit darker. So it does do some exposure compensation to keep you looking nice and accurate. There are some different image settings you can do. You can set chroma key, manually expose, you can manually set exposure and sharpness, and just a whole bunch of different things. I'll just reset that to default. There we go. And there are different filters too. So this is regular, bright, black and white. I think it's a chroma key-ish type. I don't know what this effect is. Reverse, fisheye, and very cool and very warm. You can also set different borders of different sizes. Oops. Here we go. And colors. You can have two different sources in this software, so you can use transitions and switch between them. I currently only have the camera hooked up. You can set up watermarks and text overlay. So, greetings. Hide it. Different styles. Alignment. Setting up background. Yeah, this is a lot of, it's a nice camera with a pretty powerful pre-recording, pre-streaming software. This is recording now. Logi Capture does not stream, but it does create its own video feed similar to a webcam, so you can actually use something like OBS or XSplit from either directly the webcam or the feed with all the different effects and tweaking you use in Logi Capture as its own video source. So you can then put that through your streaming recording software of choice. So this is the Logi StreamCam and Logi Capture.